Drawing oil from my vein, then you special treated. Moving along my waterways, filled with tanks that leaking. Then you spill it back to me, expecting me to drink it. Take minerals from the land, taking them for your needs. Shape and form them as you please, throwing them back at me. It's my life. If I die, how can you live? Listen, let me explain. Lend a ear while I complain. Try thinking for a change. Can you tell? Tell me my name.
Mother, mother nature. Mother, 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 mother nature. Mother, mother, mother.
Flowers and trees blossom with time. I give you me, all different kind. You rob me of my creature, saying it for sports. What's on your mind? Should I show my anger and in return spill my lava? Crack my flesh and blow my winds, turn up my heat and over freeze. And then rain, rain, rain.
Mother, mother nature.
Mother,
Mother, mother, mother, mother nature. Mother, mother, mother.
listen, let me explain. Lend the ear while I complain. Try thinking for a change. Can you tell? Tell me my name.